Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to join hide and seek party in Hearttopia latest update. Okay, and now I'm invited to hide and seek party, so I'm going to join it, guys. You can join another player's party, or you can host your own party. Go to the watch menu and select party, and then you're going to choose the hide and seek party. Then you can throw a party or you can join the other player's party right here. Okay, this is where the party will begin. And I'm just going to wait until she start the party. And we will get a role, guys. There will be two role, either the investigative journalist or the mysterious Grimkin. Okay, and I need to find the furniture. Hiders may transform into the following furniture. So yeah, I need to be very careful. I need to find one of the furniture. Meanwhile, this is the preview when you get the mysterious Grimkin role. You will be transformed into a furniture and you will have like energy. You will have 100% energy, but if someone capture you, the energy will be decreased and you need to pop this bubble to regain or to restore your energy. Okay guys, and that's how you can join the hide and seek party in Hearttopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.